Calvin Jones here for Park Tool and Tech Tuesday. We're often asked, how do I know if my bottom bracket has gone bad? Well, it's not the kind of wear we can see on bearings, nothing really visual there, but there are some things you can feel. First thing to begin with is play. Grab both ends of the crank arm, pull back and forth alternating, and see if you can feel knocking in the bearings. Hard to see, sometimes you can feel it. Another good indicator is to use some other senses like a sense of feel and some hearing. So grab the down tube, and it's nice to get the chain out of the way because here I can turn and I can feel a resonance. If I feel some resonance through the frame, not good. Sometimes if we listen carefully, we can actually hear it. So shh, we're going to listen here. Truman, quiet on the set.
Well, thought you guys wanted some coffee.
Like I was saying, it can make a noise when they really get bad, so spin the arm and listen. So if we think we have a problem, we want to isolate it, then use our senses to determine if we have a problem we need to work on or it's just okay. Hey!
Got you your coffee, Calvin.
Thanks!
We'll see you next time.
Here on Tech Tuesday.
Thanks for watching. You can find hundreds more videos like this one on our channel here on YouTube. And we're constantly working on more. So be sure to subscribe for the latest content for Park Tool. And check out our website, which has even more content to help you make your bike better.